Welcome to another episode of Are You Serious, Jay? We just finished getting lunch and we went to Hibbett's earlier. We saw a lot of black sports stuff and Jonathan was really happy.
Jacob bought white chew gum. Make some big. I can't do this. I can't do it. Let's do it yours. Big league chew.
Yeah. Okay.
Meet all of it.
I don't know how to look at.
Huh?
I didn't know how to look at. I looked at both of y'all. Swallow it, Jacob. Swallow it.
You're wasting gum. Man, I cost like $20. You just wasted $20 of gum.
That's his yearly allowance.
Hey guys, I'm gonna ask for a ride.
Hitchhike.
Oh, can you please help us? We need a ride here.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to answer some old Twitter questions that we never got to answer. So, oh gosh. I don't know.
The camera does not like you.
That's what Raul will do. Sorry for the white room. Okay, first question comes from
Selena H2751.
She says, say scalawags. This is tongue twister for me. 5 times fast. Josue, you go first.
Scalawags. Scalawags. Ah, I messed up.
Now your turn.
Scalawags. Oh, I gotta do it.
Okay. Scalawags. Ah, I can do it.
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Say scalawags.
Let hope he can spell.
Because he's black.
And stupid. like Patrick. Because blacks are stupid. Next question comes from. Wait. He says, if you were a YouTuber, what would you be doing right now?
If you were a YouTuber? Or
If you weren't a YouTuber, what would you do?
I'll be breaking into houses.
Yep.
Breaking into houses.
You?
I'll be playing games right now.
You, Jacob?
Learning about life, I don't know. He'll be on a bridge. Yeah.
I guess I would be going to his mom's house all the time.
Point it back at Jacob.
Okay.
Facts, Jacob. That's what he does best. Fashes.
Okay, next question, Jacob. Who did this one come from?
Choppa Dustin.
76.
726.
Okay. Have a contest with the person in front of you.
Standing contest. Jonathan and I'll swear.
Okay.
Ready? We have a standing contest. You get on him? Okay. Ready.
All three of you?
No, just him.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Because he's black. Because he's black.
Yeah. Blacks are superior at every sport, so. Okay. Okay, next question comes from
Ashley Filler.
Okay, Ashley Filler. She says, this is kind of awkward, but she said, make your best sexual sound. And we have no experience except for Jacob. Okay, Jacob, you go. Your turn.
Okay. I know. EJ?
Oh,
You have the best experience.
Okay. Next question comes from a person that starts with S. That person said, how many times have you said, are you serious today? I don't know. Are you serious? What kind of are you serious question is that? Are you serious, guys?
I've said it 10 times.
Yeah.
5. No, actually once.
Once.
I say it now.
5. Are you serious? Okay, I said 5 now. The last question came from. It was a zombie one.
Zombie 214.
I guess. I don't remember the name.
Zombie something.
That one was, if your friend was a zombie, what would you do? Jacob?
Shoot it, because that's what I always wanted to do.
Swear.
I would electrocute him and then throw him in the sewer.
I expect an oven, but okay. Jonathan?
Shoot him.
Okay. I'll do the same thing.
Dude, I grab his arms, make fun of it, and then shoot it.
Yep.
And be like, hi, I got no
Shooting
arms.
is awesome.
And then you would eat it, weren't you? That was your job.
Yep. So that was all the questions.
I don't need pork.
Twitter questions. So you can go to twitter.com/RSeries909
Let's do
or
it,
slash the RSeries Rose.
And if you think Jacob's a nerd, comment on it.
Comment below.
Jonathan.
Okay, so thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching Monday's Are You Serious Day, and we'll see you next Monday. And comment below.
If Jacob's a Jew.
Okay, I guess that would be.
I'm scared of Catholic.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys next Monday, and we'll see you for the game time with Rose and our Friday videos. So then, we'll see you guys later.
He's just a Jew.